Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So today I'm filming my April favorites. I feel like the last time I sat down here I was filming my March favorites. I just feel like time is going so quick, but I've gathered up all of my favorites this month. I have so many new exciting products to share with you guys. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get into this. Okay, let's start out with hair care. So the first product I want to talk to you guys is from Batiste. This is their brand new overnight deep cleanse. So it's pretty much a dry shampoo that you put in your hair at night, and when you wake up in the morning it absorbs all the oils. And I am pretty much out of this, you guys. I bought this during the Ulta spring sale and I cannot stop using it. It doesn't leave as much residue as like a regular one, so I'm ride or die for the brunette one from Batiste, but this one, it just absorbs and then in the morning it's gone. Like you don't really feel any residue like you do with a normal dry shampoo. So I have not been able to stop using this. I love it. I think it's amazing. Okay, so sticking with hair, this is from Redken. This is pretty recent too. I think I did buy this during the Ulta spring sale haul. I can't remember. But it's the acidic bonding leave-in treatment. So I bought this because I saw on Instagram that it can reverse 1 year of damage in just one use. And I was like, there's no way. But you guys, I wouldn't say it's reversed 1 year of damage, but my ends look pretty smooth if you ask me. And usually, hold on, there's a hair. Oh, it's stuck to my gloss. And usually my ends are pretty split, but right now, in my opinion, they are looking good and they feel really, really soft. I saw some people say that it kind of like stripped their hair of their toner, but in my opinion, my hair still looks like it's been toned. It doesn't really look any different. So I'm really enjoying this. I think my ends look amazing and I feel like my hair is growing. So my hair has definitely been the longest it's been in a really long time. And I feel like this has something to do with it as well as like the vitamins that I'm taking. I don't know. I just feel like my hair looks so healthy. And that's why it's finally like growing at like a normal pace. But yeah, so I have been loving this. I think it's great. If you have a lot of damage from bleaching or using heat on your hair, I definitely think you guys need to check this out because it's amazing. Okay, let's get into skincare because I'm so excited to share with you guys these products that I've been loving. So this one I've been using for about 2 to 3 months. This is from L'Oreal. It's the Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid and Caffeine Eye Serum. You guys, if you're looking for something to wear in the daytime underneath your makeup or just regular daytime eye cream, this is for you. I bought this because I was, again, influenced from TikTok, but you guys, I am not a daily eye cream wearing girl, like where I wear it underneath my makeup. I find that it kind of like creases my concealer, doesn't make my concealer look as smooth. I know a lot of people swear by eye creams underneath your makeup, but I don't. But this, you guys, is the perfect formula. And I love the applicator. Let me show you the applicator. So this is what it looks like. I haven't put this in my fridge yet, but I feel like if I put it in my fridge, like it would make all the difference. But it just feels so cooling and hydrating underneath your eyes, and it absorbs like 1, 2, 3. Like you put it on, leave it for like 30 seconds and it's fully absorbed, and I love wearing it underneath my concealer. I didn't think that I would love it as much as I do, but I've definitely seen a difference. My concealer looks so much more smoother. My eyes just feel like more bright. I don't think it has a brightening effect. It does have like that cooling sensation. You definitely feel all the hydration without like that lingering hydrating feeling. Like I love that feeling for nighttime, not for daytime. For daytime, I need it to absorb really quickly so I can go ahead and put my concealer on. This is amazing. I cannot stop using it. Okay, so sticking with skincare. So I don't know if you guys saw my video, but I did a whole video on Codally. So these two products from Codally and this product are amazing. This is from their vinoperfect line. So this is their brand new vinoperfect. I don't know if you guys can see it. Vinoperfect brightening under eye cream. And then this is their like infamous vinoperfect serum, and then this is the vinoperfect instant brightening moisturizer. You guys, I cannot stop using these. I have seen such a difference in my skin. It's actually insane. So pretty recently, over the last like year, I want to say, I've been getting like really bad like breakouts just from like stress and anxiety. So I've been getting like pretty intense breakouts and I just can't help myself. I pop all of them and I've left myself like a little bit of scarring because of it. But you guys, since I started using these, my skin is so bright. I definitely need to play around with this a little bit more because it's really nice underneath my eyes and it's brightening, but it's not like really vanishing my dark circles. I don't think like any product will ever really do that, but this is just really hydrating and I have seen a difference. My under eyes are not as purple as they used to be. I still have my dark circles, but they're not as purple as they once were. And then this moisturizer, you guys, is so hydrating. It's actually insane. Like, I cannot stop using the 3 of these. Like, I pretty much use these every single night. I'll rotate with like different serums and whatnot, but you guys, for the most part, I'm using these 3 products at night, and that is it. And my skin has never looked better. So let's jump into body care really, really quickly. I have 2 products I want to share with you. I have another product from Pacifica. This is their body lotion in the scent Neon Moon. You guys, I love this body lotion. So I don't love it because I'm like, oh my God, it's so hydrating. Like, it's great. It's hydrating, but it's not like overly hydrating. I pretty much love it for the scent. So this scent, I read reviews on it and people don't like it, but I personally really like it. So there's sandalwood water, night jasmine, and smoked cardamom. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, but you guys, it smells amazing. It's not a scent that I was like immediately gravitated towards, but you guys, the way that it lingers on your skin is insane. So for day to day when I go to work, I don't want to use my like expensive, like my holy grail body lotions because I'm going to work. I don't need to use like those crazy, really, really expensive ones. I bought this from Ulta and I was like, you know what, I'll just use it when I go to work. And you guys, it smells amazing. And the way that my perfume, no matter what perfume I'm wearing, like mixes with it and lingers with it, it's incredible. If you're looking for a good fragrance, like perfume, like you want to smell good, check out these from Pacifica. They are amazing. The scents are so long lasting. It's insane. Now, if you're looking for like a clean girl scent, but you're looking for a holy hydration, this one is from you. Not from you, for you. This is from Saltair. This is their viral scent in the scent, Santal Bloom. And you guys, if I'm not at work or if I'm like going out, I'm using this. This smells incredible. It's that perfect, like clean girl scent, but there's something about it that just is amazing. And the way that it hydrates your skin is actually insane. I love using it, this is really TMI, but I love using it on my feet because I have really, really dry skin, just like everywhere from my face to my feet. And whenever I use this on my feet feel so smooth. I love this, you guys. It's so amazing. Anything from this scent is, oh my God, just so good. Saltair is quickly becoming one of my favorite like body care brands. All their products are just so bomb in my opinion. And this, I cannot stop using it. I use it every single day. If I'm not working, I'm using that. More products that I want to share with you guys. So up first, I did like 2 TikToks on this. I don't know if you guys will see it, if it's gonna focus. Is it too bright? Okay, can you see it? It's the new Alleyoop Sensational Broad Spectrum Tinted Mineral Sunscreen with niacinamide. You guys, I cannot stop using this. I use this every single day for work. It's the perfect lightweight like moisturizer, but also like tint that you need. So it gives you pretty decent coverage. It gives me like medium coverage, and whenever I wear this, I get so many compliments on my skin. I literally sent some lady at work like the link. She was like, your skin looks amazing. I need to know what you're using. And it was this. If you guys are needing a good everyday skin tint, this is for you. It is amazing. The way that like the coverage, the way it feels on your skin, how long lasting it is, I cannot stop using it. I recommend it to literally everyone. You guys need to check it out. If you want to save some money, use code DanielleBlends and it will save you 10%. But you guys, this is amazing. I never thought I would go back to this product ever. Like I thought I found my new holy grail brow pencil. Like I was like, yeah, I'm set, I'm good. No, so I was using the ColourPop one for years, but whenever I go to Ulta, it's never ever in stock, and I feel like it's never in stock on the app, so I just like gave up on that, and then I went to the Patrick Ta one, and that one is amazing. But I noticed that once you get past like a certain point, it just starts to crumble, and it's like a $25 eyebrow pencil, and I'm like, I cannot be spending that kind of money on a brow pencil for it just to crumble. So I went back to the OG, the Brow Wiz. You guys, this is so expensive. I think it's like $26 to $30. I'm not 100% sure how much it is, but it is so good. It's what I use today to fill in my brows. And I was like, you know what? For the price and for the quality of it, I will pay it because it doesn't break. It gives you the perfect amount of pigmentation without being like overly pigmented or not too pigmented. It's like the perfect in between. There was a reason that this had such a chokehold in everybody in like 2016 because it's that good. So if you want a good brow pencil that's going to like do what it's supposed to do, check this one out. It's just, I don't know why I ever stopped using it. I know it got cheap, so I was using the ColourPop one, and that one is really good, but I just don't have the patience to like for it to never be in stock. So this one is just, you know what? If it's not broke, don't fix it. So the OG just never fails. Last product I want to talk to you guys about is from Too Faced. It's the new lip injection extreme plumping lip liner. So I have mine in the shade Puffy Nude, and you guys, I love this lip liner. It's the perfect color. Let me show you. This is what the color looks like, you guys. It's the perfect everyday nude, and I really enjoy this formula. When I first tried it, I was like, oh my god, this is so intense. And don't get me wrong, it's a very intense lip liner, but it does what it's supposed to do, and the color is so long lasting and your lips look so smooth. I cannot stop using this lip liner. It has quickly become one of my favorites. The color is just amazing too. It's right up my alley. So if you're looking for a good nude lip plumping lip liner, check this one out. It is amazing. It's very intense. So if you're sensitive to like the lip plumpers, definitely like tread lightly. But if you're not and you want like all the plumping you can get, check these out. They're amazing. I have been filming for literally hours. I am so exhausted, and it's 1 o'clock and I haven't even ate yet today. So I need to like wrap this up and go and eat because I am like feeling myself like fade slowly but surely. But yeah, you guys, so that is everything that I was loving in the month of April. I love all these products and I use every single one of these pretty much every single day. So let me know in the comments if you have tried any of these products or what products you guys are currently loving. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye.